Temple, and we went back to the hotel, and we went back to Confucius Temple.
And now we're tired.
We're very tired.
And my dogs are barking. Do you hear that?
And she got cocoa boobs. Show them the cocoa boobs.
Look at my tata.
Woo! Ty, do you see the tatas? Ty, do you see the bootai? Oh my gosh, what a day.
My butt cheek fell out.
Oh, let's see if my little token works this time. I had a little snafu the last time. They almost kept me in the train station. How horrible. Here's my token. I put it in the hole. Oopsie. I dropped it. Thank you, dear. And it opens, and I go through, and this is our exit. Can you see it?
Token goes in this slot here. Open. Sesame.
See how clean this train station is? There's no garbage. Oh no! The escalator's not working. Look at that.
How fun.
We're all growling. You're not growling. You take the stairs all the time, Odessa.
I know.
Odessa, have you noticed that I call you Odessa? And I don't call you Odessa anymore. I wonder whose fault that is. Odessa.
Feet are killing me.
Oh, those stairs are too steep.
O-D-E-S-A-S-A.